What's it doing?
It's picking up something with a long rope. It's coming up. That's going down.
Electric fence all the way around.
No, it's just going down.
It's a weird shed looking place. No signs. Big helicopter.